Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class, example number 28. Let s is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3. Determine whether the function f such that s related to s. Defined as below. Have the inverse. Find f inverse if it is exist. Okay. Here example 28. Here first of all s is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3. Okay, I am taking my first a. F of x is equal to here 1, comma 1, 2, comma 2, 3, comma 3. Therefore here it is my pre-image, here it is my image. Therefore similarly here also it is my pre-image, image. Therefore here it is 1, 1 and on to function. Okay, I am taking s related to s. Therefore here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 2, 3 is again related to 3. Therefore here it is 1 to 1 and it is on to function, because here on to checking you have to see the codomain term. In the codomain the every term has been filled. Okay, therefore here it is on to function. Therefore here it is invertible. Invertible का मतलब we can find inverse f inverse is equal to, you have to rearrange it. Okay, here it is a comma b, you have to write b comma a. Here it is both value are same, a equal to b. Therefore 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. Here it is my inverse function. Okay, here I am taking b. F of x is equal to 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1. Okay, here I am writing set s and set s. 1, 2, 3. Again here 1, 2, 3. 1 is related to 2. Okay, again 2 is related to 1, 3 is related to 1. Okay, here it is clearly many to one function, and not on to function, because here in my codomain 3 has no pre-image. Therefore here it is not on to function. Okay, here it is many to one and not on to function. Therefore here it is not invertible. Okay, we cannot find. Okay, inverse does not exist. Therefore whenever my function is invertible, then we can find the inverse. Here it is not invertible, therefore inverse does not exist. Okay, clearly you should say inverse does not exist. Similarly f of x is equal to here 1 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 2 comma 1. Therefore here you have to write set 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. 1 is related to 3, 2 is related to 1, 3 is related to 2. Okay, therefore here you have to write it is 1, 1 function, because here it is from 1 to 1. Okay, one function. Next, it is onto function, because for checking onto we have to see the codomain. Every term is in the codomain has been filled, therefore it is onto function. Finally you have to write it is invertible. Invertible means here inverse exists, therefore f inverse is equal to, you have to interchange a comma b is b comma a. You have to write 3 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2. Here it is my inverse function. I hope the example 28 clear. Okay, if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment sections. Thank you.